Divergence and curl of a vector. Divergence of a vector. If f vector is a vector point function, then divergence of f vector, written as divf vector, that is, it is defined by divf vector, which is equal to, we take del dot f. Right? So we are having a dot product of del operator with function f, which is equal to, this del operator is equal to I curly by curly x plus j curly by curly y plus k curly by curly z and its dot product with f vector. So which is equal to I, its dot product with curly f over curly x plus j, its dot product with curly f curly y plus k, its dot product with curly f over curly z, which is equal to, you can also sum up it as summation I dot curly f over curly x. Right? Next, suppose your f vector is given in components, that is f1i plus f2j plus f3k. Then how we will calculate divergence of f? Let's do this. Now divergence of f is I dot product curly f over curly x plus j, its dot product with curly f over curly y plus k, its dot product with curly f over curly z. So this is your vector f. Now curly over curly x of f vector means I have to write it is as f1i plus f2j plus f3k, then plus j curly over curly y for again f1i plus f2j plus f3k, then is k curly by curly z with f1i plus f2j plus f3k. Further, it is equal to, now we know that dot product of I with I is 1, dot product of j with j is 1 and dot product of k with k is 1. Rest, they are 0. That means dot product of I with j is 0, with k is 0. So what I am getting now from here? Curly f only curly f1 over curly x from the first term, then curly f2, curly f2 over curly y from the second term and curly f3 over curly z from the third term. So finally, divergence of f, which is dot product of del operator with f, is curly f1 over curly x plus curly f2 over curly y plus curly f3 over curly z. Right? Just derivate the components of the given vector function and sum them up. Remark, if f vector is given in this form, f1i plus f2j plus f3k, then divergence of f is equal to summation I dot product with curly f by curly x, which is equal to nothing but curly f1 over curly x plus curly f2 over curly y plus curly f3 over curly z. This is your vector. And divergence of f is a scalar quantity, right? This is your scalar quantity. Then is the curl of a vector. Now if f is a vector point function, then curl of f is defined as this del operator, its cross product with f. Fine. But, which is equal to I curly by curly x. I'm writing first the del operator, j curly by curly y plus k curly by curly z, and its cross product with f vector, which is equal to, I take the cross product of I with curly f over curly x, then j its cross product with curly f over curly y plus k its cross product with curly f over curly z. Fine, which can also be summed up as summation. Just write the first term only, I cross curly f over curly x. Now if f vector is given in this form component, that is f1i plus f2j plus f3k, then how we calculate curl f? That is del cross f. Let's do that. Then del cross f is equal to, again I am writing first the del operator. It is I curly over curly x plus j curly over curly y plus k curly over curly z, and its cross product with f vector, which is f1i plus f2j plus f3k. Now see, cross product. What are the properties for the cross product? I just mentioned you over here. You already know that. Cross product of I with j is k. Just see the sequence. It is I, j, k. When I take the cross product for I, j, I will find k. Then when I take the cross product with j with k, then the next unit vector I will come in the answer. See, j cross k is equal to I, right? Then again, if I take the cross product of k with I, then j unit vector will be the answer. Then if I take k cross product with I, then answer is j unit vector. Is it clear? See the sequence. Cross product of I with j is k. Next one, cross product of j with k is I. The next one. Then cross product of k with I is this j. Right? But if it is the opposite, that means if I am having, instead of I cross j, if I am having j cross I, then this will be minus k. Right? Similarly, k cross j, the opposite, this will be minus I. Then I cross k, this will be minus j. And if I am having the same cross product, this will be 0. J cross j, this will be 0. K cross k is 0. Are the properties clear to you? This you already know. Alright. So now here let's see. This is I cross I. So first will be 0. I have to take the cross product with the second term. So I will get over here I cross j. And then curly f2 over curly x. Clear? Then with the third I will take. With the first it is vanish. I take the cross product with the second and the third one because I is present over here. So this will be I cross j now. Sorry, I cross k. So this is curly f3 over curly z. Curly x. So this is your first bracket plus now the second with curly by curly y. J cross I, this will come. J cross J, this will be 0. And J cross K will come. So the second term cross product will come with the first and the last one. So this will be J cross I curly F1 over curly Y, then J cross K curly F3 over curly Y. Then is the third with curly over curly Z. So now the last one is, yes, K cross I can take. So this is curly F1 over curly Z. Then with K cross J I can take. This is curly F2 over curly Z. Then K cross K, alright, it is 0. Okay, I cross J is K. So this is K curly F2 over curly X. I cross K is, now this is the opposite. So this is minus J. Curly F3 over curly X. Then J cross I, this is also the reverse. So this is minus K. Curly F1 over curly Y. And J cross K, this is a forward sequence. So this is K plus I. J cross K is plus I. So this is curly F3 over curly Y. Then is K cross I. This is also a forward sequence. So this is J. Curly F1 over curly Z. K cross J. This is a reverse sequence. So this is minus I. Curly F2 over curly Z. I hope the sequence is clear. Alright. Now taking collectively I part. So taking I unit vector common. So I get curly F3 over curly Y minus curly F2 over curly Z. Taking I unit vector common. Similarly, I take J as common. So this is curly F1 over curly Z minus curly F3 over curly X. This is J. Plus taking K common, I'm having curly F2 over curly X minus curly F1 over curly Y. This is K, which can be written as, so this will be equal to this whole bracket, that these three terms, this is equal to, it is written in a determinant form as I, J, K, right? So here it is curly over curly X, curly over curly Y, curly over curly Z. Then here the first component, the second component, the third component. When you solve this determinant, you will get back to your equation, this. Right? Okay. So now next, let's continue the remarks. If f is equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k, then curl f, which is a cross product of del with f, is calculated as taking the determinant of this first row is I, j, k, then curly by curly x, curly by curly y, curly by curly z, f1, f2, f3. Just solve this determinant, alright? And curly f is equal to summation I cross curly f over curly x. And this curl f is a vector quantity. This curl f is your vector quantity. Now grad phi is your vector quantity. Divergence of phi is your scalar quantity. Curl of f is your vector quantity.